just think it actually makes the hairs on the back of my neck stand up. We're putting it back to where it was, its former beauty. The power station was abandoned for 10, 15, 20 years, which was a crime, and here we are now, carefully, gradually, slowly, but with love, restoring the area to what it was before. Perfect.
You've got to try and go back to the time it was fully operational and imagine that, you know, the power outputage from this building must have been immense, and that control desk was the nerve centre, and there's somebody there playing with dials and stepping up a bit of power for one part of London, reducing it in another.
Well, when you look at the size of the turbine hall that the balconies overlook and realise that the control rooms run the full length and the volume of equipment in here, I mean, this is a supercomputer from the 30s. You know, we talk about computers today and their complexity, but this was ahead of its time. I mean, you know, the control mechanisms that they had in here were the equivalent of a computer back in the day.
We start off looking at, well, researching a project, working out the significance of particular elements and understanding the building. So I think we start out with an understanding of where the project needs to go, and of course that's influenced by the costs involved, the practicalities of it, and then the new use that we're bringing to it requires certain changes. So we have to consider the best and the least damaging way to bring about, you know, that new use.
It's a building from an area from 1929, but we've managed to bring in methods such as paint sampling. So we're able to look at small elements and use modern technology to colour match the paint. And then we've also been able to use building information modelling, which helps coordinate the existing layout with all the new services, so we're able to keep the existing as it should be, whilst bringing in all the modern day necessities that are required.